This is the hair dryer bracket. There is no place to put the hair dryer. You can put it on the wall. The lines can also be arranged. The hair dryer is much easier. This is faucet rack. Fixed without punching holes, easy to install, drain design, can bear 5 kilograms. With a wiper rack at the bottom, can also be used for bathroom storage. This is a new robotic arm rotating sink faucet, can rotate 1080 degrees, and it have 2 water modes. Can be easily bent or folded at will so that the water can reach every corner of the sink.
Amazon laundry favorite. I also wanted to include our travel mini steam iron that we throw in our suitcase for every trip. It heats up in 15 seconds. It holds around 1.5 ounces of water to make steam.
Automatic caliper, 1-button clamping, precise measurement, can be inserted into the card slot. Click the button to shrink, can measure various parts of the body, very suitable for people who lose weight. This is mini mop, the use of the mop imitation hand washing design. To solve the problem of winter hand rub hand cream do not want to wash the rag, small size, sponge will not have hair trouble.
3 tech gadgets from Amazon. And lastly is this round power strip. This is really nice for traveling or to keep at your desk because the cord wraps around it so it makes it easy to store. And it has 3 USB ports, 3 regular outlets, and comes in 3 different colors. Kid must have from Amazon. If you have kids and you know how destroyed the cap of a toothpaste tube gets, it makes such a mess, there's always toothpaste everywhere. So these self-sealing caps are awesome. It goes in place of a normal cap, keeps the toothpaste contained, doesn't make a mess everywhere, and they come in a pack.